Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joyce. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can block a video from YouTube Kids. Nowadays, it's really difficult to keep track of what our kids are watching, and I am the type of mom it's always beside them when they are watching some videos on YouTube. And I like YouTube Kids because it has those settings where you can control what your kids are watching. So I'm gonna show you how you can block video and also how you can block a channel as well. Most of my videos are tutorials, but like you can see on my channel name is Entrepreneur Mommy. So I'm a mom as well, and I also care for the security of my kids. And because I love technology, and sometimes this technology ends up in our kids' little hands, I like to show you how you can use this technology for kids safely. Sometimes I just don't like what I'm hearing, or I don't know how some of the videos ended up on YouTube Kids, and immediately go and verify what they're watching, if it's good content for them, it's something that is really educational, or is something that it's really going to give them some bad manners or so. And I don't want to be very judgmental here. I just want to let you know how you can use this setting on your iPad Kids. So let's go to my kids' iPad. Okay, so we are going to enter here to a YouTube Kids app, and then we're going to go and choose, for the sake of this video, one of the videos that I don't like here. Like, for example, let's say I don't like them to watch these little guys, and I don't know anything about this channel. There's nothing I have against this one. They're very famous right there. They have 9.29 million subscribers. However, they don't speak our language. So first, I'm gonna show you how you can block this video. So I'm gonna pause this. As you can see, when you click on these three dots right there, you have these three buttons: report or block. I'm gonna click on the block button, and it will ask you, do you wanna block this video? Do you wanna block the entire channel? And you can choose either one. I'm gonna choose this video only for now. I'm gonna click on block, and it will ask you this. It's just that you can multiply, because you know the little kids, maybe 5-6-year-old, might not be able to answer this question. So I'm just gonna reply to this math problem, and it's blocked. So now let's try and block a channel. I'm just gonna look for a channel right here. Here is this channel. I'm gonna block this. So you have to open it so you can be able to really just change the setting from block this video to block this channel. So I'm gonna click on block, and there it is, the question. I'm gonna choose block entire channel. I'm gonna click on block, and it will ask me another math problem. And it says channel blocked here, down there. You can undo it, but I'm not gonna be doing it because I don't like those kind of videos. And there it is. That's the way that you can block a channel. Now, as you can see here, I have set up the profile, and I have already signed in here with my email. So you need to sign in before you can block a video or a channel. So I hope this video was useful for you, and if you like this type of content and you wanna grow personally, professionally, and also grow in your business, please consider subscribing down below, because I am an entrepreneur mommy and I will be making more videos just like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and see you the next time. Bye bye.